Makita ka ha?
Kita na yung dako anak. Oh, dako kayo. Mo ding na nibong ko ko bago na building ilang tukod niya. Tubig na dira. Cruise ship din mo eh. Dako sa cruise ship yang sa.
As in ton. As in.
Uy, kataas.
My God. Oh my God. Like, dako agad. What's up everyone? Welcome back to our channel. And as you can see, it's very windy today. We're here right now in Water Street and we're gonna show you guys their Pedestrian Mall. So let's go!
Gutom na ako. Nandi namin diri sa Bisaya ni. We are here in the Water Street and there is a truck going to the road. That is a cash truck and there is a lot of money in it and there is a bodyguard watching on it. We are walking on the Water Street right here, Water Street Market in Atlantic Place. And you see there is a bank here too called RBC Royal Bank. You can see right here there's a lot of stuff here too. I've never been here in my own experience. I've never been here. But you can see there is a Vinland, a place for skateboards.
Oh.
And look at that, a girl just passed by with a scooter. Amazing. Only in St. John's. As you can see, there is a Japanese restaurant here. Eat all you can.
All you can eat.
Eat all you can. Sushi Island.
Whoa.
And you can see there is a pub there too. Look, a pub to your right. A pub. Everywhere you see, everywhere you go to the St. John's, you will see pub. Pub.
Wow. Gutom na ako, oh.
And there is a place called Cojones. It is and there is a milk tea place too. Look, milk tea place.
Mani, Three Sisters Vietnamese Sub.
3 sisters.
Maoday na ang Three Sisters Vietnamese Sub.
And there is a place here called the Franklin Hotel. In case you get so drunk, you need a place to stay, you can go to the Franklin Hotel. And there is people eating outside because it's really good outside and they want to hang out outside. And look at that, there is an old building right here. Old building. Looks like from the 18th centuries. The 18th centuries where the evolution started. As you can see, there is a lot of people here too. And to your right, you can see the cruise ship too. And to your right, look at that beautiful cruise ship. Magnificent cruise ship. There's another Erin's pub, another pub. See, I told you, everywhere you go, you always see pubs. You know, pubs. And there's a ramen place called Bad Bones. And a Unicorn Studio where you can buy outfits. And as you can see to your right, there is a Salt House kitchen. I think it's a very delicious moose burgers. And there is no people in it because I think it's closed. But I think it's very delicious because it looks so expensive. And I think it's for only social people. The social people with suit and tie can only eat there. As you can see, if you need your teeth, if you need fixing for your teeth, there is a Atlantic Dental here. And the dentist there is Dr. Kip McCarthy. Yes. And also there is a luxurious outerwear we just passed by. It's called luxurious outerwear. You can buy suit and tie in there if you want to look social. And if you want to eat in an expensive restaurant, you can go in there and buy a suit and tie.
La cannabis, oh.
Oh, there is a cannabis place. If you want to get high, go to this place in Water Street called Atlantic Cannabis. I think you can buy cannabis if you're 18 years old. If you're not 18 years old, get out. Get out. Do not go there. Maraming tao dito. Hindi
Ay, yung ice cream andito.
Oh, nandito ice cream. Hindi ningaw.
Ay, hindi pala yung ice cream.
Unsa kay Tagalog ng ningaw yang? Hindi walang tao. Uy, ang ganda ng Water Street ngayon kasi maraming tao.
Oo.
Diba?
Diba?
Diba? Pasko tayo po.
Wonder where the lines are. I wonder where the lines are.
Where do you want to eat?
I don't know what to eat. I don't know what to eat.
You don't know where?
Where do you want to eat?
I don't know.
Why did we come here and you don't know what to eat?
We're gonna check.
Are we gonna check?
Their shop.
We haven't eaten breakfast.
Yeah, that's why we need to eat.
We haven't eaten. And Yang hasn't eaten breakfast too. And I am so hungry.
Yes, I am hungry too.
Wow.
I think this is the end of the Pedestrian Mall.
This is...
The mall is just so...
There is Dildo Brewing Company. Look, Dildo Brewing Company.
Hindi ganun kalaki ang mall, no?
Dildo. Look, there's a suit and tie. That is my favorite right there. It's favorite. Look, Dildo Brewing Company. That is top-notch. Top-notch brewing company right there. Top-notch. Suit and tie right there, mother. I would like that for my birthday, please.
I think yan na ang Pedestrian Mall.
Look at the graffiti. It's very good. It's a very nice site. Very nice site with the elephants, with the kangaroo, with the squids.
Yes, the shark.
With the spaceman chicken. Look at that. Naunsa naman nila. Let's go to George Street, my guys.
Yes.
Let's go to George Street. This is where all the drunk people go and drink drinks. This is where the Irish pub are and where the bars. The bars. It's a very good street. It is where if you wanna get drunk in this city, you need to go to George Street and go to one of the pubs.
Hindi daw. Do you wanna get drunk someday?
I do not want to get drunk because I do not want to get drunk because I don't want to.
Why?
Because my tummy will go balloon.
Balloon?
Yes.
Bubotod.
Yes, butod.
Like a disco is here. Oo, boring pa. Medyo boring pa kasi it's still the broad of daylight. Broad daylight, no?
This is equivalent to Mango Street.
Mango Street in Cebu. Oh, my concert. Friday, Pearl Jam, trip, Saturday.
There is a karaoke bar in here. Look, karaoke cooks. You can go to karaoke and be drunk.
Hanap na tayo ng restaurant. Tindahan. Hanap na tayo ng
Restaurant,
tindahan.
Oo.
Para saan tayo kakain, no? Hi. Yeah. Table 3. Here, possible. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, thanks.
Tara ko dira. Ayan, kami na video mo.
Kasakit. Look. Sama ni, kita ka basa. Hello, jud ko'y idea, ani.
Kana ang nachos. Nami na nachos mo.
Asa?
Ay, taga-Pedestrian Mall.
Alrighty, guys. What can I get for you?
Nachos grande, 1.
Okay. One sec there.
Yep.
Okay, nachos. Do you want those to start? Or just all together?
All together.
Okay.
And
Nachos, did we want the fajita chicken, tinga chicken, or guacamole?
Chicken. Fajita.
Fajita?
Yeah.
Awesome.
and chicken al pastor, 2 pieces.
Okay.
And beef carne asada, 2 pieces. That's all.
Beef carne.
Yeah.
And that's everything?
Yeah.
Awesome. Perfect. I'll take those menus.
Thank you.
Tapos na kaming kumain, guys. Hindi na namin nabigyan kasi very gutom na, no? Ha? How's the food, Budoy?
So,
Busog ka? Masarap? Balikan mo? If I ever wanna eat nachos again, the best, na? I think it's the first time na I had nachos. Kojos. Is it your first time too?
no, it's not Kojon's. It is cojones.
How about you? Is it your first time? Huh?
Oh.
Ubus, no? Ang laki no? Ang laki ng nachos, pero naubos, no? Grabe.
Busog-lusog.
If hindi ko siya sinabihan ko na kakain ka pa, uubusin niya lahat yun. No? Ubusin mo lahat yun, di ba?
Very busog na kayo. I am so very busog. Busog-lusog.
How was your beef tacos?
Delicious.
I think mag-nachos ko if babalik tayo dito. The nachos ulit ako. Ikaw, magta-tacos ulit ka? Ulit? Hindi?
Hindi na ako babalik dito.
Bakit?
Gusto ko milk tea.
Milk tea or ice cream?
Milk tea.
Milk tea daw ko eh.
Ice cream, ice cream.
Katubang ko andal. Ay, ano ang orderin ko? Yung milk tea nila, yung boba. Boba? Boba. Boba. Boba ka. Ba't ang boba mo? Ha?
May password ba?
Ba't ang boba-boba mo? Hi, good. How are you? 2 Hokkaido milk tea with tapioca bar. Large.
With boba or no boba?
Boba. With boba.
2 Hokkaido large boba, sure.
Yeah. And 1 strawberry fruit tea with boba. Large. Love. Ito na yung ganit.
The moment you realize you need to speak Tagalog,
Ang ganda kung may ganito kang negosyo kasi ang daming bumibili.
Ang chismosa naming kapitbahay!
Tubangan.
Ari na lang sa nili.
Oh. Picture or video eh. Video eh. Yun si Tonto. Ay, nakuha to. Naiboba ni gawas ke. So, yun si Alex Newhook, guys. Oh, grabe. Hockey player. Taga dito siya at yung team niya yung nanalo. Yung team nila Avalanche. Sila yung nanalo sa hockey na. Dahil siya kasi yung MVP. Diba? Yun si Alex Newhook.
So that's it sa Pedestrian Mall mo. Yun ang pedestrian mall nila.
Yes. So, mag-end lang din yan. Kailan ba yun mag-end?
10 o'clock.
10 o'clock. Pero, mag-end talaga siya September.
Summer season lang siya. June to September.
10 o'clock, sarado na, no? So, that's it, guys.
That's it. If you want to come here, during summer season, the Pedestrian Mall is open until 10 p.m.
What time?
At nagkataon lang na nagparade si Alex Newhook. So,
yes,
we're so lucky, no? To see Alex in person.
Yes. So, they're so proud of him. So, till next time, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Till next time. See ya.
See you.
Gitu deh.
Dili.